Today, we're taking everyone's favorite instant ramen, Shin Ramen, and turn it into this icy, slushy, cold broth that's so delicious that you could just inhale the entire bowl and be completely satisfied. This is perfect to have on those hot summer nights where you just don't want to eat any hot noodles. So good! You need to watch this. 오늘의 레시피. 아주 간단하고 시원한 냉라면 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Shin Ramen links that you could order online if you cannot get to a Korean market. For our recipe today, we'll be using Shin Ramen Black, but you can use the regular Shin Ramen or any of these Shin Ramen that comes in different flavors. And if you can't get to a Korean market, you could order these online, and I will have the product link in the description box below. So Shin Ramen Black is extra special because it comes with this extra broth powder packet. It's bone marrow broth, which makes Shin Ramen Black the bomb. Empty out all the soup packets into a bowl. We need half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Korean soy sauce, all-purpose soy sauce works. Half a tablespoon of vinegar, brown rice vinegar, but you can use any white vinegar. Here I have 1 teaspoon of DoenJang. This is fermented soybean paste. If you don't have this, use miso paste, but miso paste is Japanese, and Korean DoenJang I think is way tastier. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half tablespoon of minced red onions, 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. Always use freshly chopped garlic, please. And to this, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of hot water. Then we're gonna mix all this up so everything blends and melts together so that it looks like this. Then to this, we're gonna add 2 cups of cold water. Mix it again. All right, so let's have a quick taste test to make sure we like it the way we like it. It's not even hot, but I want it anyway. It's a habit. Oh, it's so yummy. It's tangy a little bit, not too much, and it's just the right amount of saltiness for me. So if you like it saltier, add less water or just add a little pinch of salt at this point, and it does not taste sweet. So we don't want this broth to taste sweet, in my opinion. So good. Then we're gonna place our lid, and then we're gonna keep it in the freezer and wait for it to get super cold and maybe even a little bit of that icy, slushy layer on top. In a small pot, bring some water to boil. And we're gonna add our ramen right there. And we're just gonna cook this on high heat for about good 3 minutes. And make sure to stir the noodles around in the pot. All right, so it's been 3 minutes. We're gonna turn off the heat and quickly bring this over to the sink and cool it down. You want to cool down the noodles with cold water until it's cold to touch. So I would rinse it about 2 to 3 times in cold water and shake off the excess water. Then add the noodles to our bowl right in the center, and let's grab our ramen broth that we made earlier. All right, so let's take a look. Ooh. Oh, this is perfect. We want to get it to a point where it's just starting to freeze, so we could break this up and we could have chunks of slushy ramen broth to our cold ramen. Oh, this is perfect. Then we're gonna pour our slushy ramen broth to our bowl. Ooh, look at that. It's gonna be so icy cold. It's gonna be great. And this is optional, but I'm gonna garnish with some cucumbers on top like that. Then add a hard-boiled egg on top like that. Then this is optional, but I'm gonna add a little bit of green onions around like that. And I have some kim crumbles, toasted seaweed. I'm just gonna add some around like that. Then add a little bit of sesame seeds on top. And there we have it. Smells so good! Did you know that I have many recipe hacks in turning your instant ramen into gourmet tasting noodle dishes?
like seafood ramen, ooh, and lip-smacking good cheese ramen, oh, so good. And cold ramen salad that you could have during those hot summer nights. Anyway, so if you want to check those out, go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on Korean noodles recipe playlist, and I'll see you there. All right, now time to devour. When it comes to noodles and broth, in Korean culture, we don't go in with our spoon to taste the broth. That's just like something we don't do. The proper way is you pick it up and you taste the broth like this. And yes, you could slurp your broth and noodles in Korean cuisine. It's not disrespectful or anything at all. Oh, no, my style. So good. All right, so we're gonna push the egg to the side for now and go in with our chopsticks and mix everything up. Ooh. It's gonna be so icy cold and refreshing. And then, you know, the pros, you know what they do? They take the biggest amount of noodles that they could grab at once like this, and then they eat it. But you know, let's have a taste. So make sure to get the cucumber with it. It just does wonders, I think, in my opinion, when it comes to summer noodle dishes. And of course, you have to have kimchi with your Korean ramen. That is a must. Ooh, look at that. That's a mouthful. Enjoy, everyone. Bon appetito. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you and I can make more delicious Korean dishes together. 여러분, 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean recipe videos that you see right here.